In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a 6-digit PIN on a GCash card. This is an important step to ensure the security of your account and keep your finances safe. First, open the GCash app on your mobile device. Make sure you are connected to the internet for a smooth experience. Opening the app is your gateway to managing your GCash card and linking it securely. Once you have the app open, tap on the profile icon. This is typically located at the bottom right corner of the screen. Accessing your profile is crucial because it allows you to manage your account settings and personalize your experience. From there, select My Linked Accounts. This section shows all the accounts linked to your GCash, giving you a comprehensive overview of your connections. Linking your card ensures that it is uniquely tied to your profile. Next up, tap on GCash Card. This option is where you will manage your card settings. Selecting this is essential because it allows you to proceed with linking your card to your account. After that, click on Link My Card. This will initiate the process of linking your GCash card to your account. It's important to do this correctly to avoid any future issues with your card. At this point, you will need to enter the 6-digit authentication code. This code is sent to your registered mobile number. This step verifies that you have authorized access to the account, adding an extra layer of security. Once you have entered the code, tap Submit. This makes sure your authentication is processed, allowing you to move forward. You will see a confirmation appear on your screen indicating that the code was accepted. Now enter the last 4 digits of your GCash card. This information is necessary to verify the specific card you are linking. It helps prevent any mix-up with other cards you might own. With that ready, enter your virtual account number, or VAN, found on the back of your card. The VAN is crucial for identifying your card within the system. Double-check the number to ensure there are no errors. Next, tap Submit again. By doing so, you are confirming the details you've entered, and the system will process your request. It's reassuring to know your information is being securely handled. After submitting, create your preferred 6-digit card PIN. Choose a combination that is both secure and memorable for you. This step is important because your PIN is your first line of defense against unauthorized access. Re-enter the same PIN to confirm it. This ensures there are no mistakes in the number you've chosen. It's a simple way to verify that you've entered your preferred PIN correctly. Finally, tap Submit one last time. This finalizes your PIN setup, and you will see a confirmation appear. You can now rest easy knowing your card is securely linked and protected. Congratulations on setting up a 6-digit PIN for your GCash card. This process not only enhances your card's security but also gives you peace of mind. Remember to keep your PIN confidential and secure. Thank you for following along, and see you in the next video.